Welcome back to Tech Goods, the channel where we bring you smart reviews and stylish solutions to elevate your indoor and outdoor lifestyle. In today's episode, we're checking out a real showstopper, the Sunjoy 12x20 wood gazebo. Whether you're looking to transform your backyard into a year-round hangout or want a premium shade structure for your patio, this hardtop gazebo is built to impress. With a beautiful cedar wood frame and a matte black steel roof, this product offers the perfect balance of durability, design, and comfort. Let's get into the full breakdown and see if this gazebo is worth the investment. The Sunjoy 12x20. Wood gazebo is designed to expand your living space by turning your outdoor area into a cozy and stylish extension of your home. Whether it's for family gatherings, weekend lounging, or evening dinners, this gazebo provides a covered retreat you can enjoy in all 4 seasons. It's built by Sunjoy, a brand known for producing ready-to-assemble outdoor structures with a solid reputation for quality. This model combines the natural beauty of cedar wood with the strength of powder-coated steel, making it not just functional, but also a beautiful centerpiece in your backyard. From the moment you unbox it, the build quality of this gazebo stands out. The frame is made of high-quality cedar wood, which not only adds a warm, rustic charm, but also gives off a pleasant natural aroma that enhances the outdoor experience. The 2-tier matte black steel roof is both attractive and practical, offering increased airflow and heat ventilation while standing strong against the elements. The powder-coated finish helps protect against rust and corrosion, ensuring that your investment looks great and lasts for years to come. It's a thoughtful design that balances elegance with strength. Functionality is where the Sunjoy gazebo really shines. It features a built-in ceiling hook that allows you to hang a chandelier or pendant light, perfect for evening ambiance or late-night gatherings. There's also a built-in dual rail system along the top interior edge, which lets you hang mosquito netting and privacy curtains, although these are sold separately. This feature is great for creating a bug-free zone or a more private lounge setup. However, it's important to note that the gazebo does not come with anchoring hardware or foundation materials, so you'll need to plan accordingly based on where you want to install it. With dimensions of 236 inches long, 141 inches wide, and 123 inches high, this gazebo provides ample space for entertaining or relaxing. It's large enough to comfortably fit a full outdoor dining set, patio furniture, or even a hot tub. At over 539 pounds, the structure is extremely sturdy, even before anchoring. It's suitable for a variety of outdoor settings, from patios and decks to grass lawns and garden areas. Its visual appeal, especially with the natural wood and dark steel combination, helps it blend seamlessly into different landscapes and home styles. Despite its size, the gazebo is relatively straightforward to assemble thanks to Sunjoy's illustrated instructions and clearly labeled parts. That said, some users have noted that the legs may not line up perfectly out of the box, which could require some minor drilling to make adjustments. While not a major issue, it's something to be prepared for during setup. Ideally, you'll want at least 2 people to assist with the build, and depending on your surface, you may want to bolt it down for extra stability. Once assembled, the structure feels incredibly solid and well made. User feedback has been largely positive, with reviewers praising both the look and the performance of the Sunjoy gazebo. One customer mentioned how the structure is overall excellent, but noted the need to drill new holes to align the legs properly, a small inconvenience in an otherwise smooth experience. Another user highlighted the double roof feature, saying it significantly improves ventilation and keeps the interior cool. They also appreciated the natural scent of the cedar wood and felt confident in the gazebo's strength and durability, even without anchoring it to the ground. These real-world insights suggest that while the setup may require some patience, the final result is well worth it. Let's sum up the key pros and cons. On the plus side, the Sunjoy gazebo features a premium cedar wood frame, a durable powder-coated steel roof, and a 2-tier design for better airflow. The ceiling hook is a great touch for lighting, and the dual rail system gives you the option for added privacy or mosquito protection. It's versatile, stylish, and built to last. On the downside, the assembly may involve light modifications, and the necessary anchoring and curtain accessories are not included. It's also a significant investment, which might not fit every budget, but for what you get, it offers strong value. All in all, the Sunjoy 12x20. Wood gazebo is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to seriously upgrade their outdoor space. Its beautiful design, solid materials, and practical features make it more than just a shelter. It becomes the centerpiece of your backyard. Whether you're entertaining guests or simply relaxing with a good book, this gazebo provides comfort, protection, and timeless style. As long as you're prepared for a hands-on assembly process, you'll end up with a luxurious and long-lasting structure that enhances your home for years to come. Thanks for watching this review on tech goods. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming reviews. If you've got questions about the Sunjoy Gazebo or have your own experience to share, drop it in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, keep upgrading your lifestyle with smart, beautiful tech, right here on Tech Goods.